Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap money using gift wrap paper that is super quick and easy. So here is a note. You can slip it right in the front over here, and then when the person receives a gift, they can remove the note, open it up, and find their hidden cash inside. So now to make this, you're going to need a sheet of paper. This has been pre-cut. It is 8.5 by 6 inches. You want to turn it around so that the pattern is facing down towards the table. For this step, you can be super accurate by using a ruler, or you can eyeball it. I'm going to use a ruler. You're going to put your ruler right over here on the side, the shorter side, and you're going to mark off 1 inch and 3/4. So right about there. So now what you want to do is you want to take this side here, so the top right corner, and you're going to fold it diagonally right at that point that you just marked. Make sure everything's kind of parallel, and then fold it down. So next you want to do the same thing on the bottom left-hand corner right here. You're going to fold that up diagonally and align the bottom of this side right here. And crease it in. Turn that around just a little bit. So now you want to take this area here and fold it up. You're going to take the bottom side and align it with the bottom of this triangle. So fold it straight up and crease it in. Now let's take this side and align it with this side. Fold that diagonally up. And you can kind of see the envelope shape starting to take form. Crease that in. Then take your money, slip it in right here. And then you're going to take this side and align it right over here. So let's fold that down. Crease it in. And then take this side and align it right here. And now there's a little slot right here that you can slip this into. Just go like that. And now you have a room for a little note. And you are done. So the great thing about this is that it opens from the top and it opens from the bottom. So yeah, if you enjoy this, be sure you hit the subscribe button. I have hundreds of other craft tutorials here on YouTube, and they are all free. So I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon.